everybody, it's Ron Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese chicken wings, also known as Jawaneh. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a bowl, we'll start by adding about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And to this we'll add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Just natural, not sweetened. And we'll top this up with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll just season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of parsley, you can use oregano if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, about 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and finally about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And all we're going to do is give this a good mix together, and this will be our marinade. So guys, to our marinade I'm going to add 1/2 kilo of chicken wings. I'm just going to give those a good mix together. You want to make sure they're all well coated. So all we're going to do now is just cover this with some cling wrap. We're going to place this into the fridge for about 4 hours. You can leave it overnight if you want for best results. Alright guys, so we can go ahead and take the cling wrap off. And all we're going to do is toss these through our marinade, just to make sure they're all still well coated. It already smells amazing. So guys, at this point we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And what we'll do is, I've got a baking tray here with some baking paper. We're going to place our wings straight on. Now if you prefer, you can actually grill this, that's up to you. Okay, so that's looking good, so we're going to put these into the oven now. So guys, at 180 degrees Celsius, this will take around 20 minutes to cook, but at the 10-minute mark we're going to take this out and flip them over. Alright guys, so we're at the 10-minute mark now. They're already starting to look and smell amazing. So what we're going to do is flip them all over, just like so. So guys, back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, and there we have it guys, I've just pulled it out of the oven. Look how beautiful they look. In my case, I left it for an extra 5 minutes, just so we get that nice crisp golden brown colour. So that's completely up to you. So let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, and there we have it guys. In my case, I've just served it up with some garlic sauce. And of course that goes well together. I'll just place some lemons on the side here. Perfect. Okay, and there we have it guys. Very simple recipe, easy to do in the oven, perfect with garlic sauce. What more do you want? Oh, that is amazing. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.